Good day, fellow traders. In today's video, we'll be treating a different topic, which is we'll be learning how to trade using stochastic oscillator and RSI. These two oscillators do just about the same job, helping the trader to predict the movement of the market, whether an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, they are often very used, they are quite common, and today we'll be using the both indicators to trade. Now let's delve right into the video. To the oscillator section, you select the stochastic oscillator, then you select the RSI. Okay. Now from previous videos, I do not need to explain so much on what these lines mean. The 70 and the 30 line in the RSI, which indicates overbought and oversold respectively, and the same is true for the stochastic oscillator. Now let's make our trades, and for the sake of this video, I would also like to mention that the reason why I'm using and sticking to 1 minute trade duration is just so as to make this video concise and not too lengthy to bore you. So okay, let's take another trade, because the direction of this market seems to be reversing towards an uptrend, so I'll do that. Now let's check that of another asset. Yeah, at this point there's possibility that there will be a small downtrend, seeing as it has gotten to the highest point and ready to go back down. It seems we won this trade. Now let's check our second trade. It seems we lost this trade, but we've been able to learn a valuable lesson using these two indicators, that at the point where these intersecting lines in the stochastic oscillator goes beyond the 80 mark, it means there's a significant amount of buyers in that market, and it should continue that way, except in the event of a trade reversal. Then that of the RSI is much similar, but then a trader has to get used to the different trade durations to be able to know when to adjust the trade durations to fit the trade movement. I hope you've been able to learn something valuable from this video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.